Hi everyone, welcome back to Inspiration English. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pronounce the n and ng sounds. N and ng. N, ng. Lots of students find it really difficult to pronounce these sounds differently. The key is actually quite simple. Both n and ng are pronounced with air coming through the nose. If you hold your nose, you'll see you can't make the sound. Right? So n, ng. With the n sound, you block the air in your mouth with the front of your tongue. N, n. With the ng sound, you block the air in your mouth with the back of your tongue. Ng, ng. You should practice with these pairs of words. Win, wing. Ton, tongue. Pin, ping. The hungry man with the long tongue won a pin in the ping pong tournament. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and see you next time.